Italy is known for its style, passion, and craftsmanship. There's perhaps no better embodiment of these traits than Ducati, the iconic motorcycle brand that's been producing some of the world's most coveted bikes for over 90 years. At the heart of Ducati's success is their commitment to handcrafting every motorcycle. From start to finish, each bike is built by skilled artisans who take pride in their work and who know the ins and outs of every component. You've probably heard of the Ducati factory if you're an enthusiastic rider. However, what makes this production facility stand out from others? The Ducati factory in Bologna, Italy, is a modern and advanced facility that spans over 100,000 square meters. The factory is equipped with the latest technology and equipment, ensuring that every aspect of the production process is efficient and precise. The journey begins with the design process, where the designers at Ducati work to create a motorcycle that not only performs at the highest level, but also looks beautiful. Once the design is finalized, the production process begins. Starting with the factory, the engine assembly line is where skilled technicians and engineers build the engines that power Ducati motorcycles by hand. Every component is carefully inspected and assembled to create a machine that is beautiful, reliable, and safe. Once completed, the engine undergoes a rigorous testing process to ensure optimal performance. Moving to the chassis assembly line, the motorcycle's frame, suspension, and wheels are assembled. Skilled technicians add the wheels and suspension components, such as the shock absorbers and fork tubes, ensuring each component is inspected for quality and performance. For example, each wheel is crafted by hand, with each spoke individually tensioned to ensure maximum strength and durability. Next, the motorcycle moves to the final assembly section, where skilled technicians meticulously assemble the various components, from the engine to the chassis, electrical components, and bodywork. The painting and finish section is where the motorcycle's aesthetics come to life. Technicians carefully apply the paint, ensuring that each motorcycle is unique and of the highest quality. One of the most impressive aspects of the handcrafted production process is the attention to detail that goes into each component. This attention to detail ensures that every Ducati motorcycle is not only beautiful, but also reliable and safe. At the Ducati factory, quality control and testing is of the utmost importance. One crucial aspect of this process is the testing of the motorcycle's engine. Every engine is tested on a dyno to ensure that it meets the highest performance standards set by Ducati. Technicians monitor everything from output power to fuel consumption to ensure that the engine is functioning correctly. After passing the engine test, each motorcycle undergoes a rigorous road test to ensure that it performs at the highest level. The road test includes everything from acceleration and braking to handling and stability. Any issues that arise during the road test are corrected before the motorcycle moves on to the final stage of the production process. The final stage of the production process is the inspection of the completed motorcycle. Each motorcycle undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure that it meets Ducati's highest standards of quality and performance. Any issues that are found during the inspection are corrected before the motorcycle is shipped to its new owner. Ducati is known for its advanced approach to motorcycle manufacturing, using cutting-edge materials and processes to create high-performance bikes. Carbon fiber and vacuum casting make intricate parts, while advanced electronics enhance safety and performance, and while telemetry systems monitor each motorcycle's performance in real time. Ducati also offers a wide range of accessories and customization options to create a unique ride. Did you know that Ducati first started to manufacture radio and electronic components? Ducati's history dates back to the 1950s, when the company started gaining recognition thanks to its successful racing team. Throughout the 50s and 60s, Ducati dominated international racing circuits, winning championships and setting speed records. In 1972, Ducati won the Imola 200 race with the iconic 750 SS, marking the beginning of its dominance in racing. Ducati's commitment to innovation and performance has been a key factor in its success on the track. For example, it was the first to use desmodromic valve technology in its engines, leading to higher performance. In recent years, Ducati has continued to push the boundaries of motorcycle racing with its MotoGP program, developing new materials and manufacturing processes, and using advanced electronics and software. The team has had numerous successes, with riders such as Casey Stoner and Andrea Dovizioso winning multiple races and championships. Ducati has been a leader in the motorcycle industry for decades, and it's clear that the brand is committed to continued growth and success. Ducati's commitment to innovation, technology, and performance is evident in every aspect of its motorcycles, reflecting the brand's racing heritage. From state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities to cutting-edge technology, Ducati creates motorcycles that are fast, agile, comfortable, and reliable. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey through the world of Ducati. If not, we'll send a team of Italian engineers to your house to convince you otherwise. Join our team of adrenaline junkies by subscribing.